Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg sandwich at home. Toast your bread first to create a crisp base, then cook eggs to your liking with a pinch of salt and pepper. Layer cheese, greens, and a spread like mayo or mustard for balanced flavor. Finish with a light press and enjoy immediately for the best texture and warmth. Start by gathering your ingredients and preheating a skillet over medium heat. Beat eggs gently if scrambling, or prep for frying with a small amount of butter or oil. Toast bread until golden for crunch and melt cheese on the hot egg if desired. Assemble quickly so the sandwich stays warm, then cut and serve with a simple side or drink for a complete bite. Choose your preferred egg style and adjust heat accordingly. Scrambled eggs need lower heat while fried eggs cook faster on medium. Add cheese to the egg while it's still hot so it melts effortlessly. Keep toppings minimal to avoid sogginess, and use a light spread on the bread to add flavor and moisture control. Press gently when assembling to meld components without crushing the eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.